So it got a water leak. Seems like it might be in this area where the sinks are. They said it was a kitchen AC. This AC seems like it's too far from where the water leak is for me. But we're gonna open it up and take a look. Looks like I might have to go downstairs and open up a tile. Let's see. Remove the filters. It's dirty. Looks like it was leaking. Let's see. Just touched it real quick. Just wanted to see. Looks like we got a cracked bracket. Take a picture. We're gonna have to order that. Water leakage. Plumbers, easy money. So second call, they said compressor leaking oil on the top. I don't know how they know that. Look, looks like there's a lot of oil somewhere. Open it up, take a good look. Look off all the screws. And I forgot to bring the big glue. Looks like it has a good leak somewhere, right there. You see on top of the compressor. We have a sight glass that is flashing. So get the leak detector in big blue. So I'm gonna turn it off. They have the door wide open anyways for the walk-in cooler. And do a leak check. Fill piece leak detector. Turn it on away from the unit. Let's see. Looks like somebody just did a PM. That's maybe who told them it was leaking. Let's check it out. Start off with the condenser. Good. Usually these valves leak right here. It's like a whole lot of oil though. Everywhere. So didn't get no detection anywhere. I put a new tip on not too long ago. Take off the side panel. I'm just gonna spray everything down with some big blue. See if I haven't took the schreader caps off yet. spray everything down, see what I get, and then check the schrader caps. So I sprayed everything down with Big Blue, and I don't see no bubbles. Take off the schrader cap. That one's leaking. Try this one. This one on camera. Well, I think I heard that one. That one's leaking. And I just took off the suction, and that one is leaking as well. I believe the suction's leaking. I think both of them might be leaking. That one's leaking. And that one's leaking. That is crazy. And I'm gonna take off the cap, see if that's leaking as well. Let's see. That one's leaking real good. See if I can change out the schrader. Let's see. Go. So I'm gonna try to rinse all this stuff down, get rid of it, wipe it all down, and see what we have. So, got it a little nice and clean. I think I'm gonna change out all the schraders and do a follow-up. Let's see. So got it all nice and clean. Then wipe down. Replaced all schraders, all three, except for this one. Not able to bring the schrader out. It was really loose though, so I tightened it up. Sprayed Big Blue, it's all good. Do one more leak check now that everything's nice and clean. Looks good in here. Probably wipe it down as well.